In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet resource management and time tracking features to plan work, review effort, and make better project decisions. We'll start by checking whether your Smartsheet plan includes resource management or built-in time tracking features. This is important because not every plan has the same tools available. Before you spend time looking for options that may not be included, take a moment to confirm what your account supports. You can usually do this by reviewing your plan details or checking the available apps and features inside your Smartsheet environment. If resource management is part of your subscription, you'll be able to move forward with the full workflow. Once you've confirmed access, open resource management. This is the area where you can organize people, projects, and schedules in a more structured way. Think of it as the control center for understanding who is working on what, how much time is being assigned, and whether your team has the capacity to take on additional work. Opening the correct workspace first helps everything else make more sense. From there, begin adding the key information your system needs. Start with users so the right people are available in your planning setup. Then add roles, which help define the type of work each person is responsible for. After that, add your projects and create assignments within those projects. Assignments connect team members to actual work, which is what allows the platform to track effort meaningfully. As you do this, try to keep the information clean and consistent because accurate setup makes reporting far more useful later on. Next, enter either planned hours or actual hours, depending on how your team works. Planned hours are helpful when you're forecasting effort ahead of time and trying to balance workloads before work begins. Actual hours are useful when you want to record what was truly spent on tasks or projects. In some cases, teams use both so they can compare expectations against reality. After that, review timesheets or workload views. Timesheets help you see reported time in a clear, organized format, while workload views make it easier to understand how busy each person is across multiple assignments. Looking at both gives you a more complete picture of project activity. Then compare planned time against actual work. This step helps you identify gaps, overages, and trends. If tasks regularly take longer than expected, that may signal a need to adjust timelines, staffing, or estimates. Finally, use the time data for project and resource planning. This is where the real value comes in. By using accurate time information, you can make smarter decisions about scheduling, team capacity, and future project plans.